morning students, hope you all are doing well. In our previous video we have discussed about the image formed in concave mirror. Now today we'll discuss about the image in convex mirror. Before making the drawing of convex mirror's image, we'll discuss about the rules. Number one rule, what is the, as we all know, convex mirror is also a part of spherical mirror. This is convex mirror, it is a part of spherical mirror. So this is principal axis, center of curvature, pole and focus. Okay, now if any ray parallel to principal axis, it won't go behind the mirror, it will divert from here, and after divergence it will produce the divergent ray behind the mirror. It will pass through the focus. It will pass through the focus. Okay, this is the first rule of this is the first rule of convex mirror. Now the second rule is what? This is the convex mirror. Okay, principal axis, pole, focus, center. Now if any ray coming towards the focus, after reflection it get divert and parallel to रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद क्या होगा, ये डाइवर्ट हो जाएगी. आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट बिकम्स पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. ओके, सी हियर, इट बिकम्स पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस एंड दिस रे विल बी, if we will produce this ray backward, it is appear that this ray is coming towards where? Focus. So this is the second rule. And the third rule is what? Suppose I've taken here, the third rule is, this is the convex mirror, pole, focus, center of curvature. If any ray of light coming towards the center of curvature, अगर center of curvature की तरफ आती है, I will make this drawing here. The third rule, if any ray, suppose any ray, this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. If any ray coming towards where? Center of curvature, it is appear that it is coming towards where? Center of curvature. Then after reflection it will reflected to the same path. This is called the law of reversibility. As concave mirror we have already discussed about this rule कि कोई भी ray अगर center of curvature की तरफ आती है, then it will reflect back from the same path. तो यहाँ पे भी क्या हो रहा है, it will reflect back from the same path. Reflection के बाद यहाँ पे reflection हो जाएगा and it will reflect back from the same path. तो these are the three rules. पहला रूल क्या था, कोई भी रे ऑफ लाइट अगर प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल आ रही है तो आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन ये क्या हो जाएगी, नहीं, आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन ये डाइवर्ट हो जाएगी एंड द डाइवर्जेंट रे विल प्रोड्यूस बिहाइंड द मिरर. ये कहाँ पे मीट कर रही है? एट फोकस. सेकेंड रूल इज, इफ एनी रे ऑफ लाइट कमिंग टूवर्ड्स द फोकस, ओके, देन आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट बिकम्स पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. फाइन. And the third rule is what? If any ray of light coming towards the center of curvature, then after reflection, it will reflect back from the same path. These are the three rules. क्या rules है बच्चों? You just note down these rules. Okay, it will be easier to make the ray diagram through mirror if you will note down. First rule: if any ray of light parallel to principal axis principal axis of convex mirror, then after incident on a plane, it get diverge, and this divergent ray if we will produce behind the mirror, it will meet or it will pass through the focus. This is the first rule. What is the first rule, students? If any ray of light parallel to the principal axis after incident on a plane, it get diverged, and if this divergent ray, if we will produce behind the mirror, it will pass through the focus. This is the first rule. Second rule क्या है बच्चों? The second rule is if any ray of light appears to be coming to focus behind the mirror, then after reflection, the reflected ray becomes parallel to principal axis. Okay, this is the second rule. What is the second rule? अगर कोई ray of light ऐसे पास हो रही है कि हमें लग रहा है कि वो फोकस तक जाएगी, तो after reflection this ray of light becomes parallel to the principal axis. This is the second rule. Okay, now the third rule, if any ray of light appears to be coming towards the center of curvature, it will reflect back from the same path. Okay, this is the third rule. If any ray of light appears to be coming towards center of curvature of convex mirror, then after reflection it will be reflected from the same path. Understand student? ये है P-F-C, अगर सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ऐसे आ रहा है कि it is appear कि ये सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर की तरफ आ रहा है, if any of ray of light, then it will get back from the reflected, it will be reflected back from the same path, So if any ray of light appears to be coming towards center of curvature of convex mirror, then after reflection it will be reflected back from the same path. Understand? These are the rules regarding the image formation or through convex mirror. Now the image formation of image through convex mirror क्या है और कैसे बनता है? यहाँ पे ज़्यादा नहीं हम लोग को we have taken only 2 images formed through convex mirror. First, object at any place. Object at any place. Okay. Suppose this is a convex mirror. We have taken here. This is principal axis. Okay. Pole, focus, center of curvature. Okay. Now object at any place. Except infinity. तो अगर हम यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट लेते हैं, वी हैव टेकन ऑब्जेक्ट है, तो आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन ये डाइवर्ट हो गई एंड इफ यू विल प्रोड्यूस दिस बिहाइंड द मिरर फोकस में पास होगी. एंड द सेकेंड हम लेते हैं कौन सा, जो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर को पास होगी. ऐसे जो हमें लगेगा कि इट विल पास थ्रू सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. ओके. तो आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट विल रिफ्लेक्ट बैक फ्रॉम द सेम पाथ अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल. अभी हमने पढ़ा कि इफ़ एनी रे विल पास थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, इफ एनी रे इट अपीयर्स दैट इट इज पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, इट विल बी रिफ्लेक्ट बैक फ्रॉम द सेम पाथ. तो यहाँ पे अगर कोई रे सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर की तरफ जा रही है, दैट मीन्स इट विल बी कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम द सेम पाथ. तो बिहाइंड द मिरर व्हाट हैपन, बिहाइंड द ये 2 रे जो है ये यहाँ जाएगी और ये यहाँ चली जाएगी. ओके. हाँ, ये 2 रे कहाँ चली जाएगी, एक इधर डाइवर्ट हो जाएगी. तो इट विल नेवर मीट एनीवेयर. तो इमेज फॉर्म नहीं होगी, रियल इमेज फॉर्म नहीं होगी, बट हेयर कैसी इमेज बनेगी, वर्चुअल इमेज. इट विल एक्सटेंड और प्रोड्यूस these rays behind the mirror. We'll see that these 2 rays are meeting at the point that behind the mirror, that is between P and F. Okay. So image will be formed here. तो image कहाँ बन रही है, behind the mirror between P and F, and this is virtual image. And see here, this is AB, and this is AB, A dash B. तो this is erect. तो what is the position? Position क्या हो गई image की? Now position number 1, behind the mirror between P and F. And the nature of the image क्या हो गई, virtual. Third, erect. कॉन्केव कॉन्वेक्स मिरर हमेशा वर्चुअल और इरेक्ट इमेज देती है. ओके. एंड द साइज ऑफ द इमेज डिमिनिस्ड. ओके. साइज क्या हो गई, छोटी हो गई. तो कॉन्वेक्स मिरर में विल गेट द इमेज इरेक्ट एंड डिमिनिस्ड. दिस इज द फर्स्ट इमेज वेयर ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट एनी प्लेस एक्सेप्ट infinity. Now the object at infinity. Object at कहाँ पे, infinity. Object at infinity. So we have taken here image, convex mirror, principal axis, okay, pole, focus, center of curvature. तो ऑब्जेक्ट एट इन्फिनिटी, that means rays are coming from infinity. It is parallel to the principal axis and it get diverged from here. This is also coming from the infinity and this is also get diverged from here. And if we will extend these 2 divergent rays behind the mirror, we'll see that 2 rays are meeting at a point. This point is what? Focus. So this is also a virtual image because it is not the real intersection. We are producing this ray behind the mirror and this image is formed here. So in this case, position of the image behind the mirror at focus. Nature of the image, definitely it is virtual. virtual and erect होगी, and the size point size, see point sized. Okay, तो in this way we'll make the ray diagram through convex mirror. पहला क्या था कि अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट at any place रखते हैं तो after get reflection, if we will produce the rays behind the mirror, we'll see that the object image is formed between P and F behind the mirror. This is the first case. And in the second case, if object is at infinity, अगर object infinity पे है and the two rays are coming parallel to the principal axis, and after get divergence, these two divergent rays, it will produce behind the mirror, it will meet at a point that is focus, and the image will be formed where at focus the size of the image is point sized and the nature is virtual, because this is not the real intersection we are producing, and it is appeared to be meeting at a point. That is why this is virtual image. Virtual image is always direct and the size is point size. These are the nature of image when the object is at infinity. तो I hope this is clear कि concave में क्या होता है, we are getting the image in concave mirror कैसा, real, inverted, sometimes we are getting enlarged, magnified, sometimes point sized, sometimes diminished, sometimes same size when it is at center of curvature. But in concave mirror we are getting the image erect and small, erect and small. Only two images we are getting here, erect and small. If we have any question is given in your examination that कि concave mirror में किस तरह की image बनती है, then you have to write that erect and small. Okay, या erect and small कौन सी mirror बनाती है, then convex mirror. Okay, now one thing you should know students, that concave and convex mirror इन दोनों में एक और specific difference है. I'll let you know the difference here. The difference is this is concave and convex. क्या difference है? Convex. Okay. This is, we are taking it concave mirror. क्या होता है? Principal axis, ray of light type. This is pole, focus, center of curvature, it passed through the center of curvature, again ray of light, it passed through the center of curvature. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या और एक रे ऑफ लाइट, यहाँ पे क्या एक आपने नोटिस किया एक चीज़ कि आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन ऑल द पॉइंट्स, ऑल द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे गेट कन्वर्ज एट अ पॉइंट. एक पॉइंट पे आके क्या हो जा रही है, इकट्ठी हो जा रही है, जमा हो जा रही है फोकस पे. That is why this mirror or this spherical mirror is called convergent mirror. Okay, this is called convergent. Now this is clear कि why concave mirror is called convergent mirror, because all the rays after reflection are getting converged at a point. That is why this is called convergent mirror. And convex mirror, see, I am taking the convex mirror. Okay, rays are coming, divert, rays are coming, divert from here, rays are coming, divert. Okay, rays are coming, divert. So in this case what happened, all the rays are get diverge. Okay, after reflection all the rays are diverging. सब रे क्या हो जा रही है, डाइवर्ज हो जा रही है, एंड इट विल नेवर मीट एनीवेयर. कहीं पे भी जाके वो मिलेगी नहीं. ओके, वी हैव टू प्रोड्यूस बैकवर्ड ऑल द इमेज, ऑल द रेज टू मेक द इमेज. हमें सारे रेज को पीछे की तरफ प्रोड्यूस करके एक पॉइंट में मिलाना है एंड यहाँ पे इमेज फॉर्म होगी. तो दैट इज़ वाई दिस इज कॉल्ड विच mirror? Divergent, because after reflection all the rays are getting diverged. So this is called divergent mirror. Divergent mirror. Am I clear, students? Why this concave and convex mirror are called so? Concave is convergent and convex is divergent. So I hope this is clear to all of you that how ray diagram is formed in concave and convex mirror. If you have any query and question, you will ask your question in my comment box. Please go through with this topic from your book, and if you have any confusion, just pause the video and see the video properly. Thank you very much, student. Take care.